सो यस गाइस, दिस इज़ अनदर डे. टुडे इज़ 13th of October. मैंने अपने ऑर्डर्स खोल दिए थे बिकॉज आई बिलीव दैट देर इज़ अ ह्यूज सेंटिमेंट ऑफ बुल्स इन द मार्केट ऑफ गोल्ड. गोल्ड ज़रूर ऊपर जाएगा. एंड नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग इन टाइम, आई एम वेरी 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 you know excited to see that is what is happening. I am definitely sure that price would have definitely broke the recent liquidity level by grabbing the liquidity from down below. Exactly what my theory was, and I know price have definitely distributed to the upside because there is so much uncertainty in the market, so much fear in the market in the recent days. So of course, the bullish side for gold is extremely dominant currently. So I believe that price would have definitely reached the all time highs at the 5 or nearby 4:30 or 5 a.m. only. So let's see what happens, and yes, let's see what the price is doing currently. 6 in the morning, 13th October. Boom. This price shooting to the upside to reaching to the all-time highs. 13% profit. I took out 3 of my positions at 7% profit. As you can just see this right here, 3 of my positions at 7%, and now I'm just going to take out one of my position at 12.5%, as you can see. So yes, I took 3 of my positions at 7%. That gives me roughly a profit of what you can say $450. I took this, that gives me profit of $200. So it makes a total profit of $700 in the morning only. As you can see, the price made a retracement down here. As I said, मुझे अपने ऑर्डर्स यहीं पर खोलने चाहिए थे, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट आई न्यू कि if price grabs liquidity, it will definitely take out this Asian low and will move to the upside. My stop loss was just beneath these high, just right here, and my take profit is all the way toward the upside. I'm currently in 13.3% profit. I can take it out right now, but I believe that price has potential to break above the current all-time highs. So I'm just going to let it trail. As you can see, I'm currently in 13% profit. I have already made $700 for the day. My take profit for this is adjusted to plus 4%. So let's see what happens. As you can see, the price is now currently reaching at the all-time highs. Current profits are 13.66%. So as you can clearly see, the price is now respecting the all-time highs. As you can see, it is not going to break above. I believe that due to the current escalations, I was extremely bullish on this position that price would most probably take out the all-time highs, but it is not. I'm currently in 9.8%, 10% profit. As you can clearly see, I believe that price would probably take out this level, but it is holding off. But I have made my money. I've already made $750. As you can clearly see, I made $750 on these positions. So I'm just going to hold it off, and I'm just going to let it trail to my let it trail to my stop loss, or even move to the upside. My stop loss is set at plus 4%. I'm currently in 7.5% profit. As you can see, the price is falling in huge momentum, but I'm not thinking of anything else, so I'll just let the position trail and let it do its thing. So yes guys, as you can clearly see, I woke up at 5 in the morning, and as you can see, on just the market open, I just made a huge amount of money. I made $750 on my 4 of my positions. Now my another position is trailing. अगर मैं अभी पोजीशन टेक आउट कर लेता हूँ तो आई वुड हैव मेड $1,000, बट मैंने अपना स्टॉप लॉस थोड़ा और नीचे कर दिया, दैट इज़ एट प्लस 3%. एंड now I'll just go and see that what the price is currently doing. And my stop loss is at 3%, and I believe price could probably take the all-time highs currently because of the fact आपको पता है economy इसमें काफ़ी unstable है. There are fights in the parliament, and Trump is kind of anxious, scared, and as well as the fact that tariff factors also come into the play now, and the geopolitical events also play a major factor to gain. As you can see, Nasdaq and the other indices had a dead fall in a day. They fall over 4% in a single day. That is extremely huge, and that's why I think that gold has the potential to move even above the all-time highs for today. So I'm just going to let one of my position trail. I'm currently 9% profit on that position. That gets me around $180. So I'll just let the position trail, and let's start journalizing. Let us journalize this position and move on with our day. So yes, now it is 7:24 to be exact, and the price I am, मैंने सही करा, अपने stop loss trail करा, because I am currently in 11% profit. Price went to the upside, exactly what I expect. I sense, that there is a sense of bullish weakening in the price currently, but I still believe that it could properly, by looking at the current economic situation, it could take out the all-time highs. Also, it is not backing off, so I'm just going to let this position trail, and let me show you that what the position currently looks like. Yes, as you can see, it is 7:25 and it is 11. Now it is at plus 11.26% profit, 11.3% profit. As you can see, I took the entry because I expected, the price will grab liquidity just right here, went all the way towards upside. मैंने रात में predict करा था कि price यहाँ से liquidity grab करेगा and it will move to the upside, straight to the upside, because the economic sentiment is currently high due to imbalance and stuff, and tariff factor. The price ने ऐसे करा, price ने liquidity grab करी, went all the way towards upside. That is where I took my position on the breakout of this liquidity range just right here at 4022 level, and it went straight to the upside. And as you can see, my stop loss was just beneath this level, just right here at 2%, and I captured 12% at 12% on 7% on 3 position and 12% on 1 position. Currently 11.3%, and I believe that price will definitely broke out to this liquidity level. So I'm just going to let this position trail. So yes guys, now it is 7:50 to be exact, and now I'm just going to get a bath and leave for college. And yes, we are currently in approximately of 10% profit. The price from this morning has reached the all-time high at 3 times consecutively. So that signifies that the bullish pressure is high and price may take out the all-time high, because we can see the price consequently reaching the all-time highs with making lower and little replacements and lower delta of the sell side. So I believe that price definitely will break to the upside, and we're going to capture huge on this position. I'm currently in 9.96%. I will just show you. So yes, let's see what happens, and I'm currently up a $200 on $2,000. That is 10%. So let me just show you. Yes, as you can see, I'm currently in 10%, $200 profit, and the price has reached the third time. As you can see, first here in the morning when I took my position, secondly here after grabbing liquidity from where I invested by clearing of this FVG that price created, imbalance clearation, and now the price has reached once again after making this retracement. So I believe price will definitely break to the upside, and I will let my position trail. As you can see, my stop loss trails at and 2% just right here. So let's see what happens, and I'll update you guys on the position. Current profit is 10.2%. So yes guys, now it is 8:20, and now I'm just going to leave for my college. I know I'm a little late today, but still, yes, let's go, and I'll see you guys after I come home. My position is still trailing, and the last time I saw it was at 11.2% profit. So let's see what happens. My stops are at plus 3%. मैंने थोड़ा नीचे एडजस्ट करा है, बिकॉज आई बिलीव दैट देयर इज अ रूम टू पुश टू द अपसाइड, एंड आई डू नॉट वांट टू मिस दैट मूव एक्चुअली. सो यस, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस, एंड आई बिलीव सिंसियरली कि प्राइस 4000 लेवल को 4060 लेवल 58 लेवल को ब्रेक करेगा और ऊपर जाएगा. सो यस, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस, एंड आई विल अपडेट यू गाइस आफ्टर कॉलेज. I'm up of $500 on my previous position. The price broke the all-time highs, but I will still hold on to the position because I believe कि वो और ऊपर जाएगा. I'm currently up $500. That is 25%. I'm up 25% right now. It is 11:15 now. All-time highs break up. So yes guys, now it is 6 in the evening to be exact, and I just changed clothes, and yes, what we can clearly see that I'm extremely happy. The price went all the way through and hit our 25% take profit mark. I am very happy that I captured this position,
and yeah, this is a very, this was a very good opportunity. Now I believe the current price is currently at $4,084 level, and I believe it could even rally more to the upside, but I will look for a retracement and a proper entry to get so. But let me just show you. So yes, people, as you can clearly see, I captured approximately, as you can see, $150 or 2000, that is approximately of 8%. So as you can see, I captured 8% on 1, 2 and 3 positions, and as you can see, I captured about 14% on one position, as you can clearly see. And people, as we can see, the price hit it our take profit mark of $500, that is 25%, which is extremely huge. And as you can see, this is where I exactly took my position, and this is where I took out, this is exactly where I took out the 25% of my position on this candle just right here. Price is still moving to the upside, and I believe it will continue to move to the upside, but I'm happy that I captured this position. I'm super happy, super happy. So as you can see, that is nearby $160 on 3 positions, and that is $250 on one position, $500 on one position. That gives us a nearby of $1,096 on this position, which is extreme more than, actually this gives us an approximately of $1,174 on this position. That is extremely huge. In front of you, this is what happens when you take entry with proper analysis. So yes, people, this is why I say that understanding the market is extremely important. मुझे I am very happy because I do not, मुझे इसमें कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा. I just executed my orders in the night because I knew कि due to the uncertainty, price will definitely go to the upside, and it went to the upside extremely sharply, exactly just I predicted. It grabbed liquidity from the nearby level, broke the liquidity, broke the recent liquidity point, and went all the way towards the upside and took out the all-time highs. They did what I expected, and I'm extremely happy on this position. I'm giving you a summary. I captured 8% on 3 positions, $160 each. I captured 14% on one position, that is $260 on one position, and I captured 25% on one position, that is $500. I could have captured 25% on all of these positions, but I chose to play safe. That is why I set my take profits at multiple levels. अगर मैंने मल्टीपल लेवल पे सेट नहीं करा होता, इफ़ आई हैड लेट दिस पोजीशन ट्रेल, आई कुड हैव कैप्चर्ड 25% overall. That could have made us $2,500 for the day, which have been extremely phenomenal. When I'm happy, I'm blessed to capture this position. And now without wasting any time, let's generalize it. Price is approaching the 4,100 level right now. I'm kind of feeling kind of bad because of the fact that मैंने 25% बुक कर लिया. अगर मैंने 25% बुक नहीं करा होता, then I would have been currently in 30% or more than 30% profit right now. And yes, but I'll take another positions. Position will come to me indefinitely. There are infinite number of positions that are going to come to me. So I'm just looking for a retracement to the downside, and it falls down to the nearby liquidity level, that is the previous all-time highs. That is the 4059 level. That is where I'm going to take another entry if everything seems in good. So yes, let's see what happens, and yes, let's go. I'll just edit my YouTube video now. No! So now it is 10:35, and to be honest, we missed a very huge amount of profit because the price rallied straight to the upside. And अगर मैं अपनी position trailing in कर दी होती, then I would have been currently in 40% of profit right now, which I know is extremely phenomenal. So मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि instead of just taking out the positions, you should set your stop loss in profits a little bit, so that कि आप एक desirable amount पे अपनी position निकाल लो. But I think जब भी प्राइस ऐसे क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स पर लाइक ऑल टाइम हाई से मोमेंटम काफ़ी हाई है, सो आई थिंक यू शुड लेट दी पोजीशन ट्रेल. अगर मैंने ये पोजीशन ट्रेल इन कर दी होती, देन आई वुड हैव मेड ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ पोजीशन, ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी ऑन दिस पोजीशन. सो लेट मी जस्ट शो यू. Yes guys, as you can clearly see, this is where I exactly, this is at this point exactly where I took my 25% profit. This is where I invested, and as you can see price varied up. जैसा मैंने कहा था 4105 लेवल पर 4100 लेवल पर प्राइस पहुंच गया. एंड आई वुड मैं अपना टेक प्रॉफिट मुझे 4100 लेवल पर सेट कर देना चाहिए था. वाइल जब मैं यहाँ पे था तो मुझे स्टॉप लॉस अपना इस कंसोलिडेशन स्टेट के नीचे सेट कर देना चाहिए था. अगर मैंने यहाँ पर, क्योंकि मेरी प्रॉफिट्स यहाँ पर मुझे याद नहीं रहा कि मेरे प्रॉफिट्स मैंने यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी कैप्चर कर लिए थे. सो इस पोजीशन को मैं जितना मर्जी उतना लंबा खींच सकता था, बट मैंने ऐसा नहीं करा. मैंने 25% पे निकाल लिया बिकॉज आई वॉज ईगर. If I had let this position trail, then I would have made 40% on this position. That would be an $800 on this position. Whether मैंने सिर्फ $500 कमाया, which is I know extremely huge. I'm not sad at all, but I could have captured more. So I'll just wait for a retracement now to down toward this level, because this look extended. If price come back down to the current previous all time high at 4057 level, that is where I'm going to take my bullish entry once again. So let's see what happens. What I want to say it, I could have captured, I invested, I took out just right here. I could have captured this whole move. So yes guys, now it is nearby 12 in the night and मुझे कल सुबह जल्दी उठना है. So that is why now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sleep. क्योंकि मैं अपनी वीडियो एडिट कर ली मैंने, एंड बाकी काम कल करेंगे. जनरलाइज ऑल्सो थोड़ा सा रह गया वो कर लूँगा, बट एवरीवन कमरे में सोने वाले हैं. सो आई थिंक कि मुझे भी सो जाना चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो आई एम फीलिंग काइंड ऑफ tired. So yes, this is it, and what I want to say is just keep doing your work, do your thing daily. मैंने सिर्फ यही सुना है हर जगह हर एक बंदे से एनालाइज करके कि just stick long enough to something and it is going to happen, and that is what I basically decide on. I have got level confidence on me that nothing can stop me, and I'm going to achieve whatever I want. And this is it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.